Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-sportline, coming to you live from the back of my Cybertruck in the truck bed, and I want to talk to you about this storage container. Now, this is too small for putting a spare tire. What have we done? The second best thing, we put an active cooler in here, and this is not just a cooler that keeps drinks kind of cold. This is a refrigerator freezer. You can set the temperature, you can put it all the way to freeze, and trust me, it will make your drinks a rock solid piece of ice. It really works well. Now, the cooler is form-fit designed specifically to take up all the space in the storage area. It's a pretty good size cooler. You could put plenty of drinks in there, probably a case of beer, all your food, snacks, desserts, medicine, whatever it might take. It's got a control panel here, and it plugs into the Cybertruck's 110 outlet over here, so it keeps things powered up nice and cold. All right, everybody, if you like this, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, come back soon. We got a lot more Cybertruck upgrades coming your way.